Let's compare the fractions 1/8 and 1/2 to see which one is greater. Let's visualize these fractions using two identical circles. Here's our first circle representing 1/2, and here's another identical circle. If we divide the first circle in half, we can see what 1/2 looks like. And if we divide our second circle into 8 equal parts, we can see what 1/8 looks like. Let's look at these fractions more closely. 1/2 means we've divided the whole into 2 equal parts and taken one of them. This blue shaded region represents 1/2. 1/8 means we've divided the whole into 8 equal parts and taken one of them. This red shaded region represents 1/8. To make the comparison even clearer, let's convert 1/2 into an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 8. Since we're multiplying the denominator by 4 to go from 2 to 8, we must also multiply the numerator by 4. So 1/2 is equal to 4/8. Now we can easily compare the fractions. 4/8 or 1/2 takes up 4 parts out of 8, while 1/8 only takes up 1 part out of 8. Therefore, 1/2 is greater than 1/8. This visual representation helps us understand why 1/2 is greater than 1/8. Remember, when comparing fractions, it's often helpful to convert them to equivalent fractions with the same denominator, or to visualize them using diagrams.